In a dramatic turn of events, Elon Musk, the world's richest man and a major Republican benefactor, expressed regret on Wednesday over his recent barrage of criticism directed at US President Donald Trump, just days after their highly public spat sent shockwaves through political and business circles. Musk took it to his ex app and wrote, I regret some of my posts about President-elect Donald Trump last week. They went too far, Musk wrote on his social media platform, signaling a softening of tone following days of escalating rhetoric. The rift, which played out in real time on social media, was triggered by Musk's outspoken opposition to Trump's controversial spending bill now under consideration in Congress. The legislation, which Trump had heralded as big and beautiful, drew sharp condemnation from Musk, who called it an abomination that could define Trump's potential second term in office. Behind the scenes, several conservative lawmakers who opposed the bill reportedly encouraged Elon to finance primary challengers to Republicans who can vote in favor of it, a move that drew an unusually personal rebuke from Trump. Trump warned in an NBC News interview on Saturday and said, he'll have to pay very serious consequences if he does that, branding Musk disrespectful and signaling a clear break from the billionaire who was once among his most prominent allies, and said, I have no desire to repair that relationship. Until recently, Musk and Trump appeared aligned in both political and financial arenas. Musk had been appointed to head the Department of Government Efficiency DOGE, a cost-cutting initiative within the Trump administration. When Musk stepped down from the post, Trump offered warm words praising his service, but the alliance unraveled with stunning speed after leaving Dodge. Elon blasted the spending bill, triggering a furious reaction from Trump, including threats to slash the billions in government contracts awarded to Musk's companies. US media estimates those contracts to be worth as much as $18 billion. Elon Musk tweeted a series of tweets and once said, without me, Trump would have lost the election, claiming credit for the GOP's electoral victories. Such ingratitude. The feud reached a boiling point when Elon leveled explosive, unsupported allegations linking Trump to deceased financier and convicted ex-offender Jeffrey Epstein. As a time to drop the really big bomb, Trump is in the Epstein files, implying that classified documents implicating Trump had yet to be released. However, Musk provided no evidence, and the posts were quietly deleted by Saturday morning. Donald Trump, who has been named in documents unsealed earlier this year, has not been accused of any wrongdoing. While the clash raised real economic and political stakes, particularly with talk of government subsidies and campaign finance, Trump told the reporters on Friday that, I just wish him well, adopting a more measured tone. Musk replied with a brief likewise, suggesting the feud may be cooling at least publicly. Still, the fallout underscores the volatile nature of the relationship between two of the most powerful figures in the Republican ecosystem and the precarious balance between political allegiance and personal ambition. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.